Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this MSI B550I Gaming Edge Wi-Fi motherboard. So yeah, let's go right ahead and get this puppy unboxed. So here we have the front of the box. Of course, you could see the AMD socket AM4 B550 PCIe Gen 4.0 ready, graphics and NVMe only, NVMe SSD ready. So just FYI, this motherboard is not compatible with the AMD Ryzen 3400G as well as the 3200G. So that's the front of the motherboard. So here we have the back of the motherboard. So let's go right ahead and unbox this MSI motherboard. Alright, so I just want to let you know, this is actually the very first ITX motherboard that I've actually purchased and I'm actually going to be working on. And wow, this thing is tiny. I mean, compared to the ATX or mid ATX motherboards, yeah, this thing is just compact. So there it is. So wow, yeah, this thing is, can't believe it, this is a motherboard. But yeah, so let's go right ahead and get to it. Of course, we do have the AM4 socket right here. We do have 2 DIMM slots here, DDR4. We do have the 24-pin connector, and I believe we do have two 4-pin headers right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 SATA connectors. We also have a USB Type-C. I guess this is for the actual case for the motherboard. So if your motherboard has a USB Type-C connection, you could go right ahead and connect it there. And we do have a USB Type 3. I'm not exactly sure if it's 3.1, 3.2, but I'll go right ahead and leave it right here. And of course, we do have an LED header here. You can barely see it, but we also have another fan header, 4-pin header. We do have the heatsink here, heatsink slash also fan. So it is somewhat beefy for your NVMe hard drive. And of course, we do have the graphics card slot, Gen 4. We do have the USB connector right here. We do have the front panel connections here. And we have two audio connections, so it'd be this one right here, and then we have another one right on top of the heatsink. Going to the side, so we do have a flash BIOS button. We do have a PS2 connector for mouse and keyboard. So we do have 2 USB ports here. Of course, one of them is for the flash BIOS. We do have an HDMI port here. We do have Wi-Fi 6 on this board, so there we go, you have the connections here. Most likely the antennas are still in the box, so I'll go ahead and get to that in a little bit. We do have a USB Type-C connection here, as well as we have another USB connection here, which would be a 10 gigabit transfer rate, so for the 2 of them. And of course, we also have 2 USB 3 ports here. We have the 2.5 gig NIC. And of course, we have some audio connections here. And before I forget, actually, so we do have another NVMe slot that we could go right ahead and connect another hard drive. So it would be right here. So it's just in the back of the motherboard. Okay, so let's see what we got inside of the box. So there we are. So we do have the antennas right here. Nice. We do have some screws. Most likely these are for the NVMe hard drives. So we do have that. So we do have 2 SATA connections. And we have another MSI badge here. Looks nice. Got basically drivers, utilities, and it looks like we have some documentation. So we got that. Thank you for choosing an MSI product. Yo. Join MSI rewards program now. And here we have the manual. So most likely I'll go ahead and go through it, but nonetheless, there we go. So you do get the manual. And we also have some quick installation guide. So there we go. Alrighty, so that is the end of this MSI B550I motherboard unboxing. Like always, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one.